Haka sauterik naitung arjarapsan kajing rakhe dap arapsan snem ka State Society for Implementation of Rehabilitation of Person with Disabilities lapan like pajba ya ka music video Echoes of Unity kabadai kajing ruai anthem nakabanta kibaduna dukhatmet ya kane kajing elang lapan long ha sosotham auditorium Shillong Hakane kajing elang ladon ru kajing ot kek hakmat ka auditorium bat kajing pen iya kidur bat kajing ringdur halor kajing ruai anthem kabla ruai da kaken hun Eastern Brook Ban kabadai kaken hun kibadon jingduna hagi dukhatmet bat kiwe ki program Hakane gasni uba pol Lyngdoh umentri badai kmi katanat social welfare ula long kumukongsan bat Provin Vakshi IS Commissioner and Secretary katanat social welfare departments kum sembut kongsan hakajing idon lang uba L Kenjing MCS but CEO ka SSI RPD and Commissioners for Person with Disabilities but kiwe uba pol Lyngdoh haba ai jingkiran hakane kasngi uloong ngimde ban pejben ne nyeuben ya kibriu kibadon jingduna hagit khotmet kibriu kibaduna khotmet kidon lut hynrei ka perthai kamyo I kumta kibriu kibabiang lut hynrei kimla banwan ra jingkla hak perthai Kibriu kibala banyo I hynrei kim don kejing yo I jngai kibadon ki shkor ki iohsngew hynrei kim sngap shushu ulaong kum ka sorkar ngikwa ban ai men sim bat ai jingerap ya kibaduna khotmet ngikwa ru ban long ka jela kabala ban nyarap ban pen I ya kasap ka phong jong kibriu kibadon ki jingduna khotmet bakin la ban sei ki sap ki phong jong ki shak perthai.
In every aspect, the State Resource Center on Disability has performed very, very well, and they have not just served as a technical unit, but they have served as a knowledge hub, and they have served as a hub for and a catalyst for change. As we move forward, this will be a great year of celebration, of recognition of everything that they're doing. The Rights for Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 gives them the legal framework to do more, and we need to build on this through policy support, budget, and with a very strong intent that we have to make a further difference in the lives of persons with disabilities.
That once this song is watched, the video is watched across the world through our OTT platform, iohsngew, the only state government-sponsored OTT platform in India. The group, as a band, will come to occupy the place where Lord Tennyson had mentioned in his poem, "For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever." Let that song, let the anthem go on forever. We are here to support musicians as a tourism department, and more especially when it comes to those persons with disabilities. It would be my profuse pleasure to offer them all kinds of support, including facilitating their tours outside Meghalaya to musical destinations elsewhere in the country and probably even abroad. When it comes to Meghalaya, we do not treat persons with disabilities like somebody we feel sympathy for. No, we go beyond sympathy and feel empathy for them. Helen Keller was also born visually impaired. And in one of her speeches, she said, one can have eyes and eyesight, but may not have vision. Helen Keller had no eyesight, but she had vision, and therefore pioneered for the rights of the underprivileged, for the rights of women and was also a prolific writer. I have always said, and I'd like to repeat myself, that people with disabilities are actually people who have everything but make no difference to the world. There are a lot of people with perfect eyesight but no vision. Perfect ears, they only hear, they do not listen. Perfect hands, they only raise one finger to point fingers. The government is doing wrong here, traffic department there, SMB there. Use those two hands to touch lives. 2 feet that move everywhere except ahead. As a government, we remain committed to ensuring that we unleash and initiate several multiple interventions. The Commissioner and Secretary had earlier mentioned a few of them. We would like to see that we are a state that not only nurtures persons with disabilities, we would also like to see that their abilities, talents, and special gifts become a boon and a strength for Meghalaya. As far as the OTT platform is concerned, this is already a platform where they can also get quick financial return. But there are also other platforms, YouTube, Spotify, and other channels. And more than just a political leader, I am also passionate about music. I'd like to see that we should be able to collaborate with such musicians to a scale that we take them to the global level. And together, we can make it. July the 4th also happens to be the foundation day of the only superpower in the world, the United States of America. When the idea started off, there were barely 50 persons, 50 leaders who said it is possible. The rest, whoever they interacted with, were very skeptical, doubtful, negative. They said, this idea is not doable. We are here on the 4th of July as a community and stakeholders who support persons with disabilities.